Welcome student. We are discussing human resource management subject and this is module number 8. We'll discuss in this module about recruitment and selection. Before that this is whole module plan for lecture number 8 and we already discussed about the human resource information system in previous lecture number 7. And in this lecture we are discussing this concept recruitment. In previous lecture we have discussed that with the help of computer a human resource manager can use its own administration with the help of computer, that is human resource information system, and there are various functions of this human resource information system. We'll discuss in this lecture about recruitment. It is four keyword are there: attracting, shortlisting, selecting, appointing candidate for a job. Attracting in the sense attracting employees, attracting employees. Then shortlisting, we can say not employee, we can say it is candidate, attracting candidate. Attracting candidate from outside, it is one tedious task in attracting candidate. Tedious task, and this task is very important also because it directly affect on organization future, organization profit. Organization future and organization profit is depend on the employees nature, employees behavior, and employees their own devotion towards the organization job. So attracting candidate, and candidate should be better. It is the requirement. So first one is attracting candidate, then shortlisting candidate. Shortlisting candidate, it means attracting you can attract 100 candidate, and then shortlist out of this 100 30 for example, and selecting what you required 10. If you require 10 employee, then you can select 10, and then appointing that 10 for the job. It is the simple recruitment process in simple language and in simple way. So these are the 4 steps. Also recruitment process have 7 steps are there, 5 steps are there. If you refer any other reference, then steps are different, but nature is similar. Purpose is similar, almost meaning is similar. Only you can forget and try forget and then more forget. These all basic recruitment stages, but these are the basic stages. So we will move towards definition. Recruitment, it is hiring. It is what? It is hiring. Recruitment, it is also called hiring. Recruitment refers to the overall process of, and please focus on the point which is written in red letter: attracting, shortlisting, selecting, and appointing. Okay, we already discussed about this. We already discussed this one. So on the basis of this all keyword, this definition is there: attracting, shortlisting, selecting, and appointing suitable candidate for the job, either permanent or temporary, within an organization. Within the organization, it is called recruitment. So it cover almost all keyword cover all keyword here. So it is there: attracting, shortlisting, selecting, and appointing suitable candidate. Suitable is very important one. Suitable. If you select suitable candidate, then it is more benefit to you. Suitable candidate. Okay. Recruitment. Then second definition is also there, given by Edwin B. Filippo. According to Edwin B. Filippo, recruitment is the process of searching the candidate for employment and stimulating them to apply. Searching the candidate for employment and stimulating them to apply for job in the organization. It's called recruitment. Searching the candidate and stimulating. Stimulating in other sense, motivating them. बढ़ावा देना, उनको बोलना कि आप अप्लाई करो करके. Stimulating them to the applying. It is definition given by Edwin B. Filippo. Recruitment is the process of searching the candidate for employment and stimulating them to apply for job in the organization. So recruitment is the activity that links the employers and the job seeker. Recruitment is the activity that links the employers and the job seeker. ये एम्प्लॉयर और जॉब सीकर को जोड़ने का काम करती है. एम्प्लॉयर्स और जॉब सीकर को जोड़ने का काम करती है रिक्रूटमेंट प्रोसेस. ये इसका नेचर है. एम्प्लॉयर्स और जॉब सीकर को जोड़ने का काम कौन करता है? रिक्रूटमेंट प्रोसेस करती है. तो ये है about recruitment definition. Other definition is also there: a process of finding and attracting capable applicants for employment. A process of finding and attracting. फाइंड करना और अट्रैक्ट करना कैपेबल अप्लीकेंट को एम्प्लॉयमेंट के लिए, इट इज रिक्रूटमेंट. द प्रोसेस बिगिन व्हेन न्यू रिक्रूट्स आर साउट. न्यू रिक्रूट्स आर साउट. प्रोसेस कैसे शुरू होती है? जैसे नए रिक्रूटर नए कैंडिडेट आ गए, वैसे प्रोसेस शुरू हो जाती है. द प्रोसेस बिगिन व्हेन न्यू रिक्रूट्स आर साउट एंड एंड्स. बंद कैसी होती है? एंड्स व्हेन देयर एप्लीकेंट्स आर सबमिटेड. एप्लीकेशन सबमिशन होने तक का प्रोसेस जो होता है वो रिक्रूटमेंट होता है. एप्लीकेशन सबमिशन तक का प्रोसेस क्या है? रिक्रूटमेंट है. उसके बाद में प्रोसेस शुरू होता है. फर्स्ट प्रोसेस इज रिक्रूटमेंट प्रोसेस up to submission of the application, and then second process is selection. First process is recruitment and then second process is selection. Make your mind. The result is a pool of applicants from which new employees are selected. रिजल्ट क्या आएगा? न्यू एम्प्लॉय सिलेक्टेड. तो ये हो गया सिलेक्शन का प्रोसेस. रिक्रूटमेंट का प्रोसेस और सिलेक्शन का प्रोसेस, ये दो बातें आपको समझ के लेना है. नहीं तो आप क्या करेंगे, रिक्रूटमेंट और सिलेक्शन जो है उसको आप ये करेंगे कि वो सिमिलर लगता है आपको, है ना। रिक्रूटमेंट, रिक्रूटमेंट ये कहाँ तक रहेगा, ये कहाँ तक रहेगा, ये एप्लीकेशन जब जब तक सबमिट करे तब तक। उसके बाद में प्रोसेस शुरू होता है सिलेक्शन का, सिलेक्शन का। तो सिलेक्शन का प्रोसेस कब तक है, सबमिशन होने के बाद में टेस्टिंग से लेके फाइनल सिलेक्शन तक जो प्रोसेस होता है उसको सिलेक्शन का प्रोसेस कहते हैं। तो ये दो प्रोसेस है, रिक्रूटमेंट और सिलेक्शन। ओके, one definition is also there. The definition is it is the process of discover sources of manpower to meet the requirement of staffing schedule and to employ effective measure for attracting the manpower in adequate number to facilitate effective selection of an efficient working force. It is the process of process to discover sources of manpower. Manpower is where? It is the discovery of manpower. Manpower is where? Your expected manpower is where? It is a discovery. To meet the requirement of staffing schedule. ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का रिक्वायरमेंट पूरा करने के लिए ये एक डिस्कवरी है, ये एक डिस्कवरी है। डिस्कवर करते हैं न्यू मैन पावर को ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का रिक्वायरमेंट पूरा करने के लिए, स्टाफिंग पूरा करने के लिए, एंड टू एम्प्लॉय इफेक्टिव मेजर। और ऐसी स्टेप लेना है जिसमें अच्छे से अच्छा एम्प्लॉय सिलेक्ट हो, एंड टू एम्प्लॉय इफेक्टिव मेजर, एंड टू एम्प्लॉय इफेक्टिव मेजर, and to employ effective measure. So effective measure is important for attracting that manpower. ऐसा इफेक्टिव मेजर करिए कि अच्छे से अच्छा मैन पावर आपके ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में आए इन एडुकेट नंबर, एक प्रॉपर नंबर में, एक प्रॉपर नंबर में जितने आपको चाहिए, टू फैसिलिटेट इफेक्टिव सिलेक्शन ऑफ एन इफिशिएंट वर्किंग फोर्स। वो ऐसा कैंडिडेट हो वो आपके एम्प्लॉय के ग्रुप में मिल जाए, इट इज कॉल्ड रिक्रूटमेंट। देन नेचर ऑफ रिक्रूटमेंट। नेचर ऑफ रिक्रूटमेंट इज प्रोसेस बाय विच जॉब वैकेंसी इज आइडेंटिफाई। जॉब वैकेंसी आइडेंटिफाई करना, ये इसका नेचर है। जॉब वैकेंसी आइडेंटिफाई करना, प्रोसेस बाय विच जॉब वैकेंसी इज आइडेंटिफाइड। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इन योर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन देयर आर 10 एम्प्लॉय वर्किंग एंड योर रियल रिक्वायरमेंट इज ओनली 5. 10 employees are working and only real requirement is 5. It means you have surplus. You have surplus. Okay. So you can allot other 5 the main work. The main work. You can allot work to other 5 employees who is looking like a vacant, looking like a empty. Okay. So you can discover skill of employee from in the organization and outside the organization. स्किल्स क्या है, लोगों के पास में स्किल है या नहीं है। स्किल है तो वो काम की है, स्किल नहीं है तो वो बेकाम की है। स्किल इज रिक्वायर्ड। विदाउट स्किल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन विल नॉट ऑफर any candidate. The skill is required. Skill is required. So nature of recruitment is discovery of skill. Discovery of skill. it is required. And recruitment is research on future potential. कितना पोटेंशियल लगेगा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को फ्यूचर में, कितने अच्छे लोग लगेंगे फ्यूचर में. अच्छे इन द सेंस द पर्सन हु कैन वर्क बेटर, द पर्सन हु कैन डिवोट फॉर द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, द पर्सन हु कैन टेक एफर्ट for organization and for self career development also. So research on future potential, which is already available in your organization and which is available in the environment, in the market, in the society. So research on future potential. Potential, it means capability. Finding out the capability from the organization, finding out the capability from the environment, from the society. And it is also research on inner potential. आपके ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में जो भी एम्प्लॉई है उसका स्ट्रेंथ देखिए, आप उसका स्ट्रेंथ देखिए, और स्ट्रेंथ देखने के बाद में आपको ये करना है कि उस एम्प्लॉय को उसके स्ट्रेंथ के हिसाब से आपको काम देना है. यू मस्ट आइडेंटिफाई पोटेंशियल, इनर डिजायर, और you must identify interest of employee who is working already in your organization. It is required. Okay. So research on inner potential, research on strength of the employee who is already working in your organization for betterment. It is the nature of recruitment process. Recruitment process, it means not only you are attracting candidate from outside, it is also attracting candidate from inside in the sense from the organization itself, within the organization. Okay. So it is nature of the recruitment process. And scope of the recruitment process, scope of recruitment, it is dealing with the excess or shortage of resources. Dealing with excess and shortage, ज़्यादा है या कम है, इसको मैपिंग करने के लिए ये रिक्रूटमेंट का प्रोसेस होता है. प्रिपेयरिंग द रिक्रूटमेंट पॉलिसी फॉर डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज, प्रिपेयरिंग द रिक्रूटमेंट पॉलिसी for different categories of employees, semi-skill, highly skilled, and low skill. Okay. Categorization of employees with the help of this recruitment process, with the help of testing, analyzing the recruitment policies, the policy is good or not. You must analyze recruitment policies, recruitment rules, recruitment processes, and procedure of the organization. So analysis is one part of this recruitment. Policies, processes, and procedure organization should analyze for betterment. Then identifying the areas where there could be a scope of improvement. Identifying the areas where there could be a scope of improvement. एरिया आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि इम्प्रूवमेंट का स्कोप कहाँ पे है और उस हिसाब से इम्प्रूवमेंट करना है. आइडेंटिफाइंग द एरियाज, आइडेंटिफाइंग द गैप फॉर इम्प्रूवमेंट. And organization should improve according to the gap, according to the areas. Streamlining the hiring process with suitable recommendation. Streamlining the hiring process with suitable recommendation. हायरिंग प्रोसेस को बढ़ाना, आगे बढ़ाना, स्ट्रीमलाइनिंग करना रिकमेंडेशन के साथ, सूटेबल रिकमेंडेशन के साथ, सूटेबल रिकमेंडेशन के साथ, सूटेबल रिकमेंडेशन के साथ में हायरिंग प्रोसेस को बढ़ाना, इसको बोला जाता है रिक्रूटमेंट. चूजिंग द बेस्ट सुटेबल प्रोसेस ऑफ रिक्रूटमेंट फॉर इफेक्टिव हायरिंग ऑफ रिसोर्सेस and finding out the best suitable process. 3 step, 2 step, 4 step, 8 step, finding out the best suitable process for recruitment of the candidate of particular one category of employee. Okay, according to category, process may differ. According to category, process may differ. So you can select different process for different category also. Okay, so this is the scope of the recruitment. And process of recruitment we already discussed. This is the process of the recruitment: attracting candidates, shortlisting candidates, selecting employees, and appointing candidate. So process of recruitment we already discussed in our discussion. And there are 5 steps, 7 steps, 9 steps, according to the nature and according to the demand. Process of recruitment is different everywhere. So process of recruitment is having different nature according to the job position and according to the job nature. Somewhere 7 steps, somewhere 5 steps, like that. Okay, so with this we'll stop here, and in next lecture we'll discuss about the type of recruitment, that is internal source of recruitment and external source of recruitment. We'll discuss in next module. Student, if you like this lecture, please subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos. I am teaching here this human resource management, and I will upload whole videos here with standard content. So please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you very much. With this, we'll stop here.